Hello guys, as you may know, Google has rolled out Jules, an AI coding agent, to users. It is a great AI agent that you can connect with GitHub to fix errors, bugs, and even create a complete website or app from scratch in the GitHub repo. But is it better than OpenAI Codex agent or not? Let's find out. I am at Jules.Google.com, already connected with GitHub. It has a 5 free task limit per day. I created an empty repo named Test22 for testing the capabilities of Jules. I will ask it to create a website for a software-making company in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript named Technopath Softwares. I asked it to be user-friendly, attractive, and professional. Let's try it. Waiting. It is creating a plan. Plan is here. Let's approve it. Waiting. It is creating many files. It is done. Many files are created. Let's publish the branch. Here is the branch. It is added by Jules, as you can see. It's great, 100% automate. Let's download it for now. Checking. Website is here. It is simple. So Jules has a few issues. It may be using the Flash model in the background, as Gemini Pro usually creates a good UI. So that's all. Currently, it is not at Codex level. In the future, maybe if a Gemini Pro 2.5-like model powers it, then it will be better. Thanks for watching.